how to set up important sound notifications in Live Transcribe on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on accessibility, then tap on hearing enhancements. In here, tap on Live Transcribe. Next, tap on Open Live Transcribe and then tap on the settings icon at the bottom. Next in here, tap on Open Sound Notifications so you will get notified about important sounds. And then tap on Next. In here, choose which sound that you would like to get notified in Live Transcribe. So here we got emergency, priority, such as baby sounds, dog barking, knocking, doorbell ringing in other appliances. So tap on Turn On button, then tap on Allow. And here is a try demo. So listening for 9 sounds. So if it hears any of the sound, you will get notified. Now tap on the back key, and that's it. We have turned it on for those sounds. You will get notified on your phone once your phone detected the sound. There is a settings button here at the top, allowing you to go in here and set up the sound. So we've got sound types. So sound types in here, you can go in here and turn off if it's too sensitive and keep notifying you of all the sounds. You can go in here and switch it off. And in here in the settings, you can also change other settings as well. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.